Let us discuss the exterior angle theorem. Suppose we have the following figure. So halimbawa, meron tayong triangle dito. And let's say this is angle 1. And let's call this angle 2. And meron tayong na-form dito na exterior angle. And let's say the measure is angle theta. According sa exterior angle theorem, the measure of exterior angle theta is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles 1 and 2. So theta is equal to the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2. Ayan lang yung concept ng exterior angle theorem. So now, let's solve some example problems para ma-demonstrate natin paano gamitin to. Find the measure of each exterior angle. So let's say we have this figure right here. Tapos, we have the angles, say, 70 degrees here. And this is, say, x degrees. And our exterior angle has a measurement of 2x minus 5. So what is the measure of this exterior angle? According to the exterior angle theorem, the measure of this exterior angle, 2x minus 5, is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. So equals 70 plus x. And then we have to solve for x. Una, transpose yung x sa kapila. So meron tayong 2x minus x equals, and then itong negative 5, transpose din yan sa kapila. So 70 and then become, or the negative 5 becomes plus 5. Combine like terms, 2x minus x is x, while 70 plus 5 is 75. So ito yung value ng x. However, hindi pa yan yung answer kasi ang kailangan natin is yung measure ng mismong angle. And the measure of the exterior angle is 2x minus 5. So 2 times x, which is 75, minus 5. And so this is theta. 2 times 75 is 150. And 150 minus 5 is 145 degrees. Bale, 145 degrees daw yung measurement ng angle na to. Next example. Suppose we have this following figure. Another triangle, tapos, let's say this is x right here, x degrees. Tapos, ito naman ay, say, 45 degrees. Tapos, meron tayong na-form na exterior angle dito with a measurement of 2x minus 2 degrees. 2x minus 2 degrees. According to the exterior angle theorem, the measure of the exterior angle 2x minus 2 is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles x and 45. So we can say x plus 45. Tapos solve for x na lang. Transpose x and make it negative. So 2x minus x equals 45. And then transpose 2, rather negative 2, make it positive. So plus 2. 2x minus x is x, while 45 plus 2 is 47. So meron na tayong value ni x. Now we can solve for the value of this angle. So theta, let's say this is the exterior angle, is equal to 2x and x is 47 minus 2. 2 times 47 is 94. And 94 minus 2 is 92. So the answer is 92 degrees. So 92 degrees daw yung measure ng exterior angle na yan. How about this one? Say we have this following figure. Say this angle is 2x plus 18 degrees. This angle is 24 degrees. Tapos this angle or the exterior angle is, let's say, 3x plus 6. Okay? 3x plus 6 degrees. According to the exterior angle theorem, 3x plus 6, or the measure of the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the remote interior angles. So 24 plus this one, 2x plus 18. Solve for x. Transpose natin si 2x sa kabila, gawing negative. So 3x minus 2x is equal to copy 24 and then plus 18. Tapos transpose yung 6 sa kabila, gawing negative, minus 6. 3x minus 2x is x. And 24 plus 18 minus 6 is equal to 36. So meron na tayong value ni x. And to find the value of the exterior angle, let's say theta is the exterior angle. That's 3x, and then x is 36 plus 6. 3 times 36 is equal to 108, and 108 plus 6 is equal to 100, and 108 plus 6 is equal to 114 degrees.